Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss about the interfaces, how to create the interface and how to use them. You might have used the structure in the C++ programming. So in C++ and C programming, you might have seen this keyword struct, which contains the functions and the members. But in case of TypeScript, we use the interface in place of struct. So you can write like interface student. Suppose I'm going to write an interface related to the student, then it can contain only the data members for the student class, for the student type, and it cannot contain any function. Address is also a string, and then I have, you cannot use like this, you can use this address and course string. So that's it. This is the way you can define it. You cannot define or declare any function inside the interfaces. You must need to remember this. No functions can be defined, only the data members can be used and declared here, right? So this is the way you can declare your data members and inside the interface. And the basic purpose of interfaces is to maintain, or you can say to enhance the readability of your application code. Okay, so let me just show you that how you can use it. I'm just going to use the student student interface. So how I can use it? Student, it's like let s student, right? So I have declared this, and now s dot name, it would be Vikas, or you can say like s is equal to something like this, name, and then you need to pass Vikas, then address, then you need to pass like Noida, and then course, and then you can write like MCA or whatever courses are there. So this is the way you can do this, and then you can just console.log, and it's like I'm going to print it. So s dot name, then on the next line I can print like console.log s dot address, then I can have like console.log s dot course, and all these three things must be shown when I run this. So first I need to compile it, transpile it. So I have used the command tsc, and then I just need to run the command node, and you can see the output here, Vikas, Noida, and MCA. So all the things have been printed here. Okay, so let me just use it inside a arrow function. So let me see how it can be used. Let me show you. So I can write it like let fun demonstration is equal to, what I can pass here, student s, not s, and then a student. So this way I don't need to pass number of variables. I can pass a single variable of named student, and that variable is containing all the different other properties like name, address, and course here. So this is the way we can increase the readability and the code clarity in terms of code writing. Okay, so let me just use it. console dot log, and here you can write like name, and then you can have like this, name, then address, then course. Okay, and of course you need to call here the fun demo, just pass the s here, and that's it. So let me just see what happens. It should again give me the correct result and the same result. Okay, so what is the problem here? Okay, so I just need to write like this. I just forgot arrow. Okay, so let me just compile it again and run it. So you can see that again Noida, MCA and Vikas, all these things have been printed. Okay guys, so this was all about the interfaces and how you can use it. So basically it is used for increasing the readability, and suppose if you want to use the name, address and course of the student, then apart rather than passing the name, address and course different variables, we can pass a single variable of type student, and that type student contains the types like name, address and course. Please remember this comma. This is the basic syntax of declaring the variables inside the interfaces. You in a hurry, few people do like this semicolon, and then they think like why it is not working. So please remember that you need to use this comma, name, address and course, right? So have a nice day guys, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel videos, and let your friends know that this is one of the channels where you can find number of things. Okay, so please have a nice day and bye bye.